This is a visual hook. This is another visual hook. Shut up. All right, enough of that. For those of you who think that AI is just ChatGPT and some scene from the movie Terminator, you've got a lot coming to you. It's not just that, it's been here forever. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ariki, founder of Oscale, and we help businesses get more leads, make more sales, keep more customers, and save more time. Anyway, enough about that. Yeah, it's been watching you, learning, calculating, and guess what? You love it. So let's play a little game. Put your hand up if you've ever unlocked your phone with facial recognition, or perhaps used autocomplete to complete an email that you're writing. Let's talk about the time where you type in an address into maps and you don't even question about the most direct route. Or how about the time where you were online and you bought something from Amazon you didn't really know you needed? Yep, that's right. AI's been at work all this time. Now I know what you're thinking. That's just the tiny stuff. AI is just ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Gemini, and some fancy chatbot stuff. Nope, that's not AI at all. AI isn't just chatbots, it's the backbone of modern business. Think about Excel formulas, conditional formatting, pivot tables, all AI driven. Don't even get me started on automated fraud detection, cybersecurity, and algorithms that keep your LinkedIn feed full of hustle culture posts. Yep, they're AI too. It's everywhere. Imagine waking up before dawn, grabbing a pitchfork, and heading out to the fields. No machines, no electricity, just you, your family, and hours of back-breaking work under the sun. For thousands of years, this was life. Agriculture wasn't just a job, it was survival. This was life for about 10,000 years. But then, something changed. Farming finally got its first upgrade. Now, this is where it gets spicy. The way we do life right now is about to get an upgrade. That's right. Working to survive is getting a major upgrade. AI isn't just for the big tech giants. Small to medium businesses, this is your time to shine. Cue cinematic lighting, add filter, cinematic music, and B-roll. Imagine cutting your admin work in half. Scheduling, automated, sales predictions, instant. Marketing, AI-driven insights, so good. It's like your customers have a psychic best friend. Now, I know there's a lot of criticism about how my content is specifically business focused, so let's talk about healthcare. Imagine a world where AI detected a debilitating disease before it even happened. Wake up call, that already exists. It's here right now. So, next time someone says to you, AI is for nerds or the big tech companies, just say to them you've been using it for years and it's only getting better. And if you're a business owner still ignoring AI, you may as well be renting videos from Blockbuster. If you like this video, you know what to do. Stay up to date with everything by subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.